When a seller hires a real estate agent to sell their property, we call that on market. And because inventory of distressed real estate such as bank-owned properties and short sales are very low, and due to increased competition in the market, it's become increasingly more difficult to find good on-market deals. Maybe you can relate. Have you tried to make an offer on an on-market listing recently only to be one of a dozen other offers and get beat out by someone willing to pay more? Many investors have given up altogether with even trying to find an offer on on-market properties and are focusing solely on off-market leads. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can still find great deals on market, but you have to create a competitive advantage and follow a proven process. On this video, I'm going to show you how to find on-market real estate deals right now. Hi, it's Jerry Norton, and me and my elite mentoring students have been finding and buying on-market deals consistently for over 10 years, even recently over the past few years when it's become increasingly difficult due to low inventory and higher competition. If you're ignoring on-market leads or you're frustrated by not getting any results from on-market leads, this video is for you. Leave a comment and let me know if on-market leads are currently in your lead generation game plan. I'd like to know. First and foremost, it's important that you understand in today's market, there is a fundamental truth that you have to understand in order to be successful with on-market deals. The only way to be successful is you have to create what I call a competitive advantage. Now, what does that mean? It means you have to find a way to stand out from all the other investors and offers and agents. If you don't, then your offers will be no different than all the other offers, and someone will always be willing to pay more than you. On this video, I'm going to cover the 2 methods to dominate on-market deals and step-by-step how to do it. But first, if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make money right now in real estate, not later, not in 10 or 20 years, or even 3 to 5 years, but right now so that you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. And be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you how to earn a 6 and even 7-figure income finding and flipping on-market deals. Method number 1 to create a competitive advantage with on-market leads is to create a strong relationship with listing agents. Now, a listing agent has the listing with the seller and has a lot of influence as to which offers the seller should entertain and accept. Be sure to watch this video to make sure you understand how agents work. The goal is that when a listing agent gets the listing on a good deal, they call you before it's listed. Imagine that. You get a chance to make an offer before anyone else even knows about it. We call that a pocket listing. The way you create that relationship is by following what I call the double dip strategy. This is where you do not make offers with a buyer's agent and instead go directly to the listing agent on their individual listings and let them represent you as the buyer. By doing this, the listing agent gets the full 6% commission if your offer is accepted. For an even deeper explanation of my double dip technique, be sure to watch this video. When a listing agent knows you'll let them represent you on their own listings and they'll essentially make twice as much money working with you, they are highly motivated to bring you their listings and get your offers accepted, giving you a competitive advantage over all the other offers with buyer's agents. Method number 2 to create a competitive advantage is to create a consistent method to farm all of the on-market leads on a daily basis. The name of the game with on-market is speed. When hot deals come out, if you're even hours late to the deal, you'll miss out. Now, this can be challenging because there are dozens and hundreds, and in some markets, thousands of active listings at any given time. How do you decide which leads to pursue? Well, for that very reason, I created my own on-market deal finder software tool called Data Cruncher. What it does is it scans all of the active listings in a given zip code, and then it provides a list of all of the listings for sale that are below the average sold price per square foot. In other words, all of the listings below market value. These are your best leads. The cool thing about it is it even tells you how far below the average so you know which ones to go after first. Trust me, you want this. It will save you countless hours sifting through listings looking for leads. And since I'm such a nice guy, I'll give you a free login to this software. No trial or anything, absolutely free. Just click the link in the description. Just promise me you'll like this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my videos. Now, let me explain how to use this tool to consistently farm for leads. Step number 1, go through and make offers following the double dip technique on all of the qualified leads in each zip code where you farm for deals. Step number 2, once you've made offers on all of the underpriced homes each day, 2 or 3 times a day, log in and run new searches for anything new that has come out and make offers on those leads. And step number 3, re-offer weekly on any listings that are still for sale. Remember, just because they said no last week doesn't mean they'll say no this week. Motivation changes week to week, day to day, and even hour to hour. No only means no right now. Now, just to show you how powerful these 2 methods are to dominate on market using my On Market Deal Finder software, let me tell you about Tom Cochran, one of my elite mentoring students. Now, Tom focuses on fix and flip mostly and some wholesaling, and he monitors 225 zip codes in his home market in Pennsylvania using my software. Every day he runs his searches, he double dips with listing agents, and he makes offers. Last year he averaged about 5 to 6 deals per month and usually makes $50,000 or so per deal, all from on market. In today's market, when everyone else says you can't get deals on market, it works if you create a competitive advantage, are consistent, and make offers and re-offers every single day. Be sure to watch this video about how to make 100 offers a month in a fraction of the time. Now, I've been able to personally help Tom create a 6 and even 7-figure business flipping houses. If you'd like to do the same and have me personally help you build a successful business flipping houses, click the link in the description to learn about my elite mentoring program called Fast Track. And be sure to watch this next video where I show you how to make $1 million a year by only flipping 3 deals a month. And if you want to make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And remember, it's not about the money. It's about having the time and freedom to be, do, have, and give everything you want in life. And I'll see you on the next video.